Our guy I think we're going to get in game one tomorrow, Alex Mycut. 6'5", redshirt senior. Decent numbers on the year. Good numbers on his career. For the year, we're looking at 18 innings pitched, 18 hits, 11 earned, 8 walks to 14 strikeouts. His strikeout numbers are down a little bit this year. Guy that's coming off Tommy John, so I'm assuming just doesn't have the sharpness or the life maybe late through the zone with his fastball that he used to. Breaking balls looked pretty good in video. Ball, I would assume, is going to get on us a little bit just because he's 6'5", and he's got such long levers that are coming to the plate. Big thing with him, as we talked about today and as we watched the video here, is we need to get in there and be ready. Utilize our clock, like Coach Payton talked about, that 10 seconds, but he's going to want to get it and go. He's not going to really settle too much. Seems like most of the time when he's missed with his fastball, he's missing and yanking glove side. But he's going to leave some balls out over the plate and up in the zone that we can get to. I think we really want to hunt the fastball on him out over the plate until he shows different, and then we'll adjust off of that. See if we can get a good look at a breaking ball here. There again, you can see yank, arm side or glove side fastball. So I think, from all the video I've watched on him, that's where he's really going to miss. Breaking ball looks late, sharp, kind of sweeping across the zone away from the right-handed hitter. So again, I think if we set our sights out over the plate, that one just kind of backed up on him. We set our sights out over the plate, we're going to be in a really good spot off of him because he does lose the fastball to the glove side, and then he wants to spin off the plate for strikes and swing and miss. Here's Prince, another big old boy from the bullpen for them. One of their go-to pieces so far early this season. 6'3". He's going to want to slider us to death. Hopefully nobody else is getting sick watching this video. We'll attack late with the fastball, but he's going to want to throw a frisbee slider at us. This was his first inning of work against Jefferson. Three-two fastballs. Let's see if we can get to the next batter. Here's a backup slider. But he's just going to try to show that slider early in the count and then attack late if he's even or behind with the fastball. He will get himself into trouble if we can stay disciplined in the zone because that slider of his when he's got it running, it comes across the plate and he's got trouble commanding it. So just something to keep an eye out for. Those are two guys I think we're going to face. I'll have video for us in the dugout as well of some other guys that I think we could see. I'm not really sure who they're going to start in game 2. It could be Kalina. It could be one of the freshmen. And then we'll see as the weekend goes on. But I'm pretty confident there's one of his good sliders. Pretty confident My Cut and Prince are two guys that we're going to see at least tomorrow at some point. My Cut to start and then Prince out of the pen.